Welcome to this short breath meditation. The intent of this meditation is to amp you up and get you ready for your day. Start by finding yourself seated or laying down. If you choose to be seated, sit with your back nice and straight. If you choose to be laying down, lay on your back. Start by breathing just through your nose. For today's meditation, nasal breathing is the goal. Exhale all of your air, and with me, we're going to count a 4-second in breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding for 2, 1. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 3, 2, 1. Again in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out for 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In for 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to regular breathing through your nose. For the next protocol, we are going to do short, sharp superventilation breaths through your nose only. It's a sharp breath in with an abrupt or an aggressive exhale out. We're going to go for 40 counts, starting now. Take one deep breath in and hold for as long as you can. When you feel the need to breathe out, you can let your oxygen come out slowly, bit by bit. Once you've exerted all of the oxygen, you need to gasp again. We're going to once again take another deep breath in and hold for as long as you can. Once you've finished this second hold, that is the meditation done. Thanks for listening along to this short meditation. I hope you feel ready to attack whatever your day holds.